who made it.
Okay, hi guys, welcome to my escape, and this is Alex. So let's give you some short information about my van at the moment. So you've already known that the name is Escape. Around 2 months and a half I worked day and night. Like, I really gave a lot of my time to build this one. It used to be 12 seaters and currently registered as 5 and 5-seater camper van. So it's already been engineered and certified as well. So it has a pull-out kitchen on the side, and we've got 2 pull-out drawers at the back. And so talking about the electrical system in here, we have got like 12 volts system only. I've got 200 watt solar at the top, 40 amps of DC-DC power. So what basically is 40 ampere DC-DC? So whenever you drive, it lets you charge the battery. Okay, so with that battery system, I have like 4 downlights with dimmer on it. I did it myself. And then I've got a 60-liter freeze. Okay, so I've got 2 fans as well, one Sirocco fan at the front and then one exhaust fan at the back. So the exhaust fan lets the air in as well and outside too. So as you've already seen, I've got a 180-degree awning as well. That's from King's. So that's basically it at the moment. And if you want to see more of my video, and maybe possibly if you want to see the building process of whatever I have done on this one. I can create a video as well. I've got a lot of footage from a few months back when I started, so let me know in the comments. And please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.